we know that the personal pronouns, they are 7 in English, as I, we, you, he, she, it, they. When we study them, we keep in mind the genders of pronouns. First person pronouns are I and we. They are used for both masculine and feminine. I can be a male person or a female person. Similarly, we can be a male person group or female person group. They are used for singular and plural subjects. The second person pronoun you may be used for masculine or feminine, and both in singular as well as in plural forms, number. And the third person pronoun, they are different. When we study the third person pronouns, they are he, she, it and they. He stands for masculine singular. पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम है, एक वचन है. She stands for feminine and is singular. It stands for neuter. We use the word it for non-living things and small animals whom we cannot diagnose and identify as male or female by simply looking at them, just as an ant, a cockroach. So, for such small animals, we use the word it for singular. And the last third person pronoun is they. It is used for both genders, masculine, feminine and neuter. And also it diagnoses and it tells us about plural form of persons, things, etc. The pronoun it is used by looking at several points. It is used for things without life, just as table, chair, doll, toy, etc. It is used for animals, the small animals, when we see that it is difficult to say whether the animal is male or female. It is used for young children also. Just as in the sentence we see, when I saw the child, it was crying. Here, child stands for a young child, and we have used the pronoun it for the child. It is also used as a provisional subject before verb to be. The verb to be, as we know, stands for is, am, are, was, were. So, before them we use it. Just as in the sentence, it is certain that you are wrong, and it is sin to tell lies. In the sentences which are made by infinitives, we use introductory it. In this sentence also, it is sin to tell lies. It has been used as introductory. So, in the next, it also gives emphasis to a noun or the pronoun that follows in some sentences. Just as it was I who first protested. In this sentence, it gives emphasis to I. It was you who begin this quarrel. So, a personal pronoun is used instead of a noun, we see, and it must show the sense of number, gender in a sentence. One thing very particular, that when we see that there are two or more personal pronouns together in a sentence and they refer to different persons, in that condition we follow a rule to place the personal pronouns of different persons in that sentence, and that rule is, simply speaking, to memorize the rule of 2, 3, 1, means 231. It can be elucidated as, first we place second person pronoun, that is 2, then we place third person pronoun, that is 3, and it follows first person pronoun, that is 1. Just as you can just look at the example, you and I have done our duty. Here you stands for second person pronoun and I stands for first person pronoun. You and he have played the match. In this sentence, you is the second person pronoun and he is the third person pronoun. Hari and I are old school friends. Here Hari is third person and I is first person. So, in this sense, we can correct the use of personal pronouns when we use different persons in a single sentence. Thank you.